And welcome back, folks. Welcome back to our rain gauge update for the Arduino Weather Station. And we're going to be doing something a bit different with the programming code this time. It's going to be an actual monitoring of both open and closed circuits instead of just a closed circuit like before. Now, what makes it better this way is the fact that we don't have to worry about a window of opportunity of counting that closed circuit. Instead, we just need to make sure that we have it change from open to closed, and that way it doesn't overcount or undercount if we happen to miss the window of monitoring when the magnet goes over the reed switch to close the circuit. So as you can see, we've got zeros starting up and the rain gauge is being calibrated, and it's going to take a little bit of time, and there it goes, and it will register 2 numbers every time the magnet goes for one tip of the tipping bucket. So you'll be getting multiples of 2, and you'll have to just cut that in half in order to get the proper number of times that the tipping bucket does change from one to another. And that's going to be then 5 for 10, 6 for 12, etc., etc. So a much more precise and accurate way of getting the amount of rain that falls. And now we just need to record the data that we get. Now to do that, we're going to go and take the program that has got a bunch of pre-designated marks for recording it onto the serial printer. Now we're going to want to do a script command and a name of a file in order to keep this data in a particular location, in which case the documents folder with the name rain output. And so then we simply want to do the CU with a TS and the bandwidth of the communication and the location. And so here we've got the rain gauge starting up, and we're going to hit the button a few times to get a pre-designated mark. There we go. 50 has been recorded onto the serial monitor. And we'll get a second one right now. And that will be good enough for just keeping the data and showing that it does in fact record it. And now we're just going to go and unplug the Arduino circuit board, and it's now been disconnected. And now we just type in exit to finish the script command. And there we go. It has now been recorded in that file, and we'll open that up to confirm that it does in fact have all of the rain data there in documents, and there it is. The rain output opened up, and there it all is. Everything that has been put through the terminal is going to be there with a timestamp, so you'll be able to find out where and when the rain came. Very good for getting rainfall in the vicinity.